we understand from some hadith that women also have very good patience and very good steadfastness. The ability of women to cope with the pains, even physical pains, much more than men. Their ability to stand by their decisions, or to be available for helping, for example, when they feel there is threat for their family or children or for their own honor and dignity. They have great power and determination. Therefore, for them to be able to get on the path of spirituality is not only possible, but maybe from some perspectives it's easier. My understanding is that, inshallah, if our communities go by authentic Islam and not being too open or too close, inshallah we would have many women, many sisters, inshallah, in our community that would be very good examples and role models, not only for our girls but also for men.